I want to share this with you because you can face the same problem and it's really annoying if you get stuck here. So yeah, I'm building this awesome legendary wizard game where you have a multiplayer battle arena and you can fight each other. And I used WebRTC to make it happen so that I do not have to use like a big server to have a lot of people using my game in the end. So that's why I chose for peer-to-peer. So I added the WebRTC to my Godot. I guess it's 4.1.1 right now. You just drag it in and it kind of works automatically. It's totally awesome. It works very well until you want to deploy it to the app stores. Then you will run into some problem. Yeah, make your iOS build, make it run on XCODE, and then eventually when you do archive, you'll see something like this. So what actually happens is that the bundle identifier is too long and it will cause problems in XCODE. I now use XCODE 14 dot something. Might be that other XCODE versions can handle this, but I don't think so. So you will something like this. So bundle invalid. This is about bundle identifier being too long. That's one problem. And the other problem is that the minimum OS version is not supported, or at least not the same it says in one info plist and the other. So the info plist of your own product and the info plist of the library. So you're stuck here. That really sucks, but I will get you out. The best thing to do here is go back. And this minimum deployment over here, that will be around 11 or 12 maybe. But it's very important that you put it all the way up to 15.2. It's really high, I know. I wish I didn't have to, but the library is built for this version. And XCODE does not allow you to deploy it if it is a different version. It can be higher. I would not suggest you do that, but it cannot be lower. I hope this will change in the future, that they can lower it a bit, but right now it should be like this. So if you want to use it, then put the minimum deployment version of your own project to 15.2. Then go to your info plist. It's like at the left you have your legendary wizards or your own your own name of the project. Then you have again the name of your project in the folder, and then you have supporting files, and under there you have your plist. In there was no minimum OS version for me. It's not required always, at least I read a lot about it, that it's not always required, but XCODE still complains about it, so you better just add it. Here minimum OS version you can put to 50.2, same as you did in the general tab. Let's see up here so you can see what I'm talking about. So yeah, in these two you go to the targets, you press on it, and then you go to the general all the way to the side. Why doesn't it show me? Wait, let me make it a little bigger. See, it was a bit hidden, but it get out of is. It was a bit hidden, but now it's completely visible again. Yeah, now it's hidden again. Doesn't matter. We know that it's there, so you won't hide from us. Okay, so yeah, we set this up. Now the last thing to do is also go to the library itself and see and change the version there, because the funny thing is that inside of this library, so yeah, you go to your project, you build it. This is the folder at the left, how it looks if you've built your project with Godot iOS 4.1.1. Okay, then you click on it, on the name of your project. You're clicking on dilibs, WebRTC, lib, framework, and then finally here you have your info plist. You click on it, and the thing you need to do is you need to change this minimum iOS version to 15.2. So that will throw away the error about that the plist version is not correct. And then the other thing you need to do is about the bundle identifier that's over here. That's just too long. You can change it to something else, but I'll just change it to com.gdnative.libwebrtc-lib. And now you're ready to go. Then everything should be working again. At the top, you can go to analyze or archive. It's under products. So at the left you have your Apple icon, and then if you go to the right somewhere there's product. And if you would run analyze, then you can see all the problems. And now we don't have problems anymore because I just solved them for you. But if you do it at the start, then you will see that XCODE will complain about that the version should be 50.2. That's how I found out. And you can just change it there and you can make a archive build. Yeah, just press on archive, you will make a build, you will go back to the organizer, and then this one, it will just archive your build and everything will be good. Alright, I don't want to make this thing longer than it already is. Thanks for watching. I hope I could help someone. Thanks.